Correctly setting up Facebook pixels on your website to track website conversions is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Log in to your Facebook account and navigate to the Events Manager section. Click on the Connect Data Sources button and select Web. Choose the Facebook pixel option and click Connect. Give your pixel a name and enter your website URL. Click Continue. You'll be provided with a pixel code snippet. Copy the entire code snippet provided. Paste the copied pixel code into the header section of your website's HTML code just before closing the header tag. This ensures that the pixel loads on every page of your website. After adding the pixel code, verify that it's installed correctly. You can use the Facebook Pixel Helper browser extension to check if the pixel is firing correctly on your website. In Facebook Events Manager, navigate to the Pixel section and click on the Aggregated Event Measurement tab. Set up custom conversions for the specific actions you want to track on your website, such as purchases, signups, or page views. Configure each custom conversion by defining the event parameters, such as the URL or specific page elements associated with the conversion action. Perform the actions on your website that you've set up for conversion tracking, such as making a purchase or completing a form submission. After completing each action, go back to Facebook Events Manager and check the event status to ensure that the pixel is tracking the events correctly. Once your pixel is installed and conversions are being tracked, regularly review the data in Facebook Ads Manager to monitor performance and identify areas for optimization. Use the conversion data to optimize your Facebook ad campaigns, such as targeting high-converting audiences and adjusting bidding strategies.